guys, Ethan here. So I'm recording. I'm filming because my phone is broken. As you can see, this is not fake. This is really actually real. Like, this is not like a screen app or something, a screen crack app. Like, this is really broken. Like, look, I'm completely using it. I don't have that kind of app. See? It's nowhere. It's nowhere in the folders. It's not in the folders. It's nowhere. And I had that app before, but I deleted it. So, yeah, my phone is literally broken. I need a new one. I might be getting like a 6S Plus. A 6 Plus. Yeah, I might be getting a new 6 Plus. Yeah, it does work perfectly fine. I still use it. It's just this big shatter. It needs an inside screen replacement. Because the inside screen cracked right there. And there's some sort of like black permanent marker on it. Oh, hello, cat. Look at this. Oh, it's running away. Cat? Oh, that's why it's so dark out there. Okay, well, this thing is completely broken. It is in good condition. It does work. It's just broke. So we're gonna end the video here. I just wanted to show you my phone. It's broke. And this actually happened in 2019 March. I don't know when, but okay. It was a good story. So when I was at my grandmother's house, I accidentally dropped my phone. And then I was like, oh, come on, my phone fell. And then I picked it up and I turned it on. And I was surprised that it still worked. But the black stuff. And I started, I don't want it. This sucks. Yeah. And I started whining like a little baby. So now, that was the story. So, bye, subscribe, and smash that like button on down below the video, way down here, under the world, under Earth, under the galaxy. Okay, whatever. Alright, this is really tall. Hey, dog. So, that's it for today. Peace out.